Okay, Word 2013 and 16 formats for line spacing to, I think it's 1.5. You can go here and do 1 and then remove space after paragraph for each document, or you can go line spacing options and do spacing, line spacing single here, and then set as default. Do you want to set the default alignment and spacing of the paragraph for this document only, or all documents based on the normal dot? I would do the all documents, and then when you key, if you key something, all good vacations during intercession must come to an end, and it is time to refill our brains with knowledge to further our education. Okay, and notice that it went to what it should be, 1 space, and I also showed that word wrap. I have mine set to autocorrect words, so you might want to go into your settings and have that done also. Okay? That's just one way of doing the line spacing.